In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new user in Google Merchant Center. Now, in order to do this, what we can do is we can click onto this settings or this gear icon that we can see right here into our screen. You can see in here this people and access option. Now, you just need to add a new person to this right there. So let's click onto this add person option. Now, it may take some time to load as well. Once you have clicked onto that add person button, you will be prompted to enter in here an email address. So just head over and put in here an email address that you want and then click on next. And then in here, this will prompt you to choose the access type for this particular person. So in here, just choose admin, standard, read only for performance and insights and the likes. So for this one, I'll just choose standard and click on this add user, and we should be able to add this new user in our Google Merchant Center. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.